1969, a boy found a large yellow rock, and he liked it. The boy takes the rock home, and his family uses it as a doorstop. Years later, a family friend took the rock.
Weird, trippy, absurd, and funny memes are probably the words coming to your mind while you watch these AI shorts, correct? You know, the surreal scenes where a dog plays fetch with a TNT stick, a boy finds a huge yellow shiny rock, and various tongue sizes versus. Well, that YouTube channel has it all and more. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own viral videos in that same chaotic, dreamlike style using our favorite AI tools: ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Kling AI, and CapCut. No editing skills required, and the results will make money pour into your pockets. Let's jump into it. As we're getting ready, I want to thank you all for the comments and likes. Our amazing community is growing, and this all due to your support. Here are the top and best comments from the previous video. You are part of this success. Huge power up to you guys. Your AI Fusion Master appreciates the move. Now it's time to work. First, we open our best buddy ChatGPT to generate your core idea. We want short, punchy plots that begin normal and quickly spiral into absurdity. Here comes our prompt. For more convenience, I'll split it in two parts. I want to create short content similar to this popular channel. Paste the link to Simply Bright channel. Please give me prompts for text-to-image AI with a simple but interesting, similar story in a logical order, and also work on the script for this video. It has to be catchy, exactly like in the video link. The style of the images needs to be similar to the on in the video. Give me prompts in this style to achieve this unique image style. Young man walking on a sidewalk, surprised expression, simplified 3D style, smooth little choppy textures to make it more natural, bright daylight, clear blue sky, minimalistic background with grass and trees, pastel and natural colors, clean design, soft shading, plastic-like look, unusual AI 3D render aesthetic, 9:16 aspect ratio. Hit generate and let the magical tool do its job. As I was preparing this tutorial, I remember ChatGPT had a huge update on his built-in generative image tool. So for this tutorial, we'll stick here. Of course, you can use any other image generation tool. I mentioned Leonardo AI, you can use it too. It has an amazing free plan. To generate your images with Leonardo, use preset Phoenix 1.0, aspect ratio 9:16, and in the options, select the 3D render style. In our case, using DALL-E tool from ChatGPT will be easier as it is very accurate and prompt adherence is absolutely fantastic. However, you'll need a $20 subscription to generate unlimited images, else you'll be limited by the free plan. Now it's time to turn these prompts into visuals. Go to the post with all the scenes and script, copy the first one, and paste the text prompt into ChatGPT generation bar while asking it to create the image. The cool part, we don't have to manage any external parameters as they are inside the prompt. If you have any issue, ask it to make modifications and generate again. As we wait for the result, head back to the scenes, copy the next one, and keep on going. Rinse and repeat the process for all 5 scenes. Try to keep your character design and visual style consistent throughout. Once you're happy with all your images, download them and get ready for animation. Our video can be good with just these images, but how about making them even better? You nailed it, we are going to animate them. Regarding the fact we stayed inside ChatGPT, we can ask it to give us accurate prompts to run the animation more efficiently. Drop the request like this. Now give me animation image to video for these 5 images you generated in order. Wait the job to be done, download your images and head into Kling AI. On Kling AI, choose AI Video and select Model, Kling 1.6. Click Image to Video and add your first image into the Start Frame Zone. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt corresponding to the scene, and paste it. Hit Generate and let's wait for the magic. We're done. Now let's see the result. I think it looks fantastic. I love the vibe. Great, all our videos are ready. Let's download them and get ready for the next step. We almost have everything we need to create our fantastic video. Still, we're missing an important part, the voiceover and the storytelling. This is the critical part which allows any good video to go viral and hit millions of views. We don't need something too fancy, just a catchy, simple, and efficient story. Ask ChatGPT to create a matching script for the images we created. Jump into 11 Labs. Look around to find a good voice you like. You can choose Adam for this kind of story. He fits perfectly. Or maybe can you use my wonderful, bold, creative, magical, and polished voice for even better results? Back to our topic, choose Adam Voice. Go to text-to-speech and manage settings. Put speed to 1.03, stability to 0.45, similarity to 55%, and style exaggeration to 44%. This last parameter is here to give variations to replicate a real human voice. Do not push too much else, you can weird results. Take each paragraph, paste it, hit generate, listen to result, rinse and repeat till you are satisfied of all the parts of your voiceover. Yes, guys, this is actually my morning routine. And if you didn't notice, it was fully made with AI. Crazy, right? I have great news. I just dropped the AI influencer course you've all been asking for. Inside, I show you exactly how I create viral president and celebrity videos that pull millions of views and earn thousands. You'll also learn how to make ultra-realistic AI avatars like the one you see right now, and hop on trends without even showing your face. This is your moment to get ahead and start building your own AI-powered brand. Don't miss out. Grab the course now. Link is in my bio. The final part of this tutorial, editing. Open CapCut and import your 5 animated clips into the timeline. Search into the library of fitting music. Put it on the timeline and adjust it to fit the mood of the video. Grab your audio files and import them. Put them in the correct order to match the clips. You can add transitions, zooms, or any filters to boost the surreal vibe. That's totally up to you. In my case, I'll keep it simple. We can leverage our production as our channel will grow. You're almost done. When all is perfectly synced and fine-tuned to your desire, don't forget to add captions. As many people tend to watch short-form videos with sound muted, captions play a capital role into viewer retention. I'll take this template and ask my CapCut to generate the captions. When done, I make adjustments to fix the small issues and boom, we are done. Let's check the result.
It was just a normal walk, until he spotted something strange, a glowing red button, standing alone in the middle of nowhere. Who puts a button like that outside? He knew he shouldn't press it, but come on, who could resist? So with a bit of curiosity, he pushed it. That's when everything changed. The sky turned purple, trees started floating. Reality? Yeah, it began glitching like a broken video game. He did what anyone would do, ran for his life, hoping it would stop. But the more he ran, the worse it got. Then suddenly he woke up, safe in his bed. It was just a dream, until he saw it, the same glowing red button. Would you press it again?
And just like that, your video is complete. It's fast, surreal, and weirdly addictive, just like the best Simply Brighty videos. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and share. It's the best way to reward and support my work. Also, keep repeating this process and pushing your creativity. You'll quickly build a library of content that people want to rewatch and share. The best part is that this whole thing takes less than 30 minutes once you get the process settled. Remember, stay consistent, experiment over and over again. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you out. And as always, stay creative and keep making magic.